In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wix to Mailchimp. By the end, your Wix site will be linked to Mailchimp so your contacts and site activity can sync for targeted emails and automation. Start in your Mailchimp account on the home dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace that holds the audience you plan to use. From there, head to the integrations area. This is where Mailchimp lists all the apps and platforms it can connect with, and it's the fastest route to set everything up. In the integrations page, use the search bar and type Wix. You'll see the Wix integration tile appear. Open it to view the details, then choose Connect. Mailchimp will guide you through a short flow. Click Continue to move ahead. This hands you off to Wix to confirm which site you want to link and to grant the necessary permissions. In Wix, you'll see a site selector. Pick the specific site you want to connect to Mailchimp, then click Select. If you manage multiple sites, double-check the site name and icon so you don't connect the wrong one. Next, you'll land on a permission screen. This explains what the connection will do, such as allowing Mailchimp to receive your site's contacts and activity so you can segment and send more relevant campaigns. Review the details, and when you're comfortable, click Agree and Add to authorize the connection. You'll be redirected back to Mailchimp, where you'll have the option to start syncing right away. Click Sync Now. This kicks off the initial data import from Wix into Mailchimp. Depending on how many contacts and events your site has, the first sync can take a few minutes. You don't need to stay on the page, but it's a good idea to keep the tab open until you see confirmation. You should now see a success message indicating that your sync is in progress. Mailchimp will show the connection status here, and you'll be able to return to the same spot later to view the last sync time or trigger another sync if needed. As the data flows in, your Wix contacts and site activity will become available in your Mailchimp audience, which makes it easier to segment visitors, send welcome emails to new signups, and build automations that react to actions taken on your site. That's it. You opened Mailchimp, found the Wix integration, connected it, selected your site in Wix, approved the permissions, and started the sync. Give the process a moment to complete, and you're ready to build smarter campaigns powered by your Wix data.